What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the 2010 Ford F-150 Lariat 5.4 liter V8. Really beautiful color scheme on it, fully loaded, factory converter, and as you guys can see, we have done it again. True dualed it all the way back 2 1/4 on each side, and then to complete the look, we added 6-inch tips rolled to make it sound really deep and clap, because that's what they want. And then they are mandrel bent tailpipes, guys, as you guys can see. Look at that mandrel. We get them prefab for us, so we can keep the flow all the way throughout. We try to get mandrel bent every time we can, but it's all the way true dual from there back. So there it is. That's the old system that was on it. There's the muffler. There's where it was wired together right there. We took that off. There's the tailpipe, all that good stuff. There it is after 6-inch tips. It's gonna scream. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you share, because you know why? Sharing is scary. Yes, again. True duals. 111. Again. Again. Your sound sounds good. Again. That's everything we cut off, guys, right there. Again. Signature 6-inch tips. See, they're huge, but when they put them on the truck, they become small. Here on the inside. Ford F-150 True Dual to 6-inch tips.